Hey, what's up, guys? Maggie Guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today. Okay, guys. I want to shout out a very big thanks to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Okay, thank you guys for always tuning into this channel. Thank you for always commenting, for always smashing the like button. I really appreciate that. Okay, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you 4 Makossa licks, part 2 of the previous video I made. Okay, 4 Makossa licks. We can play over this 1, 4, 6, 5 chord progression. I showed you guys part 2 of it. It's going to be sound and going to be interesting. Okay, so make sure you don't miss any part of this video. Watch it to the end. Okay, and if you know that this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any time I upload a new video like this. Alright, guys, if you want to enroll my online class, personal online class on WhatsApp, you can chat me up with the number on the screen there. I'll respond to you as fast as possible. Okay? Alright, guys, so let's move straight to the video right away. I want to do the lesson in the key of E. Okay, that is the key of E in the second string, yeah. Okay, that is the key of E. That is the key of your 1, 4, 6, 5, 1. Do, va, la, sol, do. Okay. Okay, guys, so the number 1 lick there I played is so I start from the do, si, la, sol, okay? Do, si, la, sol, mi, va, mi, va. So I play do, si, la, sol, mi, va, okay? But you can hear how I played it to sound more harmonizing and have a good tension there. So I make some slide there from the T, do, okay? I slide to the do. Okay. Play. Go to my fa. Okay, play. Va, la, do, va, do, va, do, la. Okay. Then I pick the va chord back upward again, like okay. And I play again. From the mi, va, sol, on the first string. Okay, then I slide. Mi, do, to the sol, okay. Then I hold my sol chord, okay. I pick the chord back again. Okay, so there. Okay. So that is the number 1 chord. Sorry, that is the number 1 lick. So the number 2 licks I play was okay. So I play. This has to do with your double strings. So if you don't know your double strings, you need to learn that. Your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, do. Okay, the double string. So I play from the mi, re, do, fa, re, do, sol. okay? But I pick the string one after the other, stuff like this. Mi, sa, re, la, do, okay? Mi, sa, re, la, do. I slide to my va chord, okay? Then I play re, la, do, so. I slide to the sol, va, sol, va, sol, okay? Okay, so that is the number 2 chord, the licks. That is the number 2 licks. So the number 3 licks I play was so I come to this shape now and play my la, okay? You have your la chord here. So I hold it like this from the do, mi, la, do, mi, la, okay? Okay? And I play dun, 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 dun. I slide to va, mi, va, va, re, do, la, okay? So, mi, re, ti, say. So, mi, re, ti, okay? Okay, that is the number 3 licks. So the number 4 licks I play like this. Okay. So I play start from the va, mi, re, do, la. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay. You need to know the harmonic tone, how it sounds. Dun, 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 dun. Then I harmonize with the sol and the la. Okay. I pick the string down, okay? Okay, then I play. I slide from the, okay? Slide to the va again. Okay? La, ti. Then I hold my sol chord. That will be your ti, sol, re, ti. Okay? Okay? So that is how it sounds. So I believe this lick going to be more important and more relevant to you in your makossa section over the 1, 4, 6, and 5. Now you can equally play it over the 1, 4, 1, 5 chord progression as well. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, you can hit it on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.